Hey guys, so today we're gonna do an unboxing. I'll look sure ugly, but that's fine. Yes. First thing I got, well, some of it's my mom's stuff, so I'm gonna take out my mom's stuff, and I think the rest is mine. Okay, first thing I got for me and my brothers are the Hello toothpaste. Mine is watermelon. My brother has mint. Don't talk in my video, thank you. And then my other brother gets the mango strawberry. Then next, I got a journal. Yes. Then, the reason why my tongue is blue is because of this. I'm already eating it. So tiny, so whip it. Technically, take off the lid, lick it, open it, dip, flip.
Are the dogs hungry?
Ask the dogs.
I think he looks very hungry.
He does.
Yeah, so I think you should feed them.
Maybe after my video. Then we got icy poles. You put them in the freezer and then you take it out the next day and you pop it open. So good. I've never tried it. We got Takis. Me and my mom already ate some in the car. We got the flaming hot balloon ones. Delish. I don't know if you can see them, so I'll just take one out. They're like so good, not even spicy. Then this is what I'm going to be trying with you guys today. The jelly fruits. The TikTok jelly fruits. We got mango, grape, pineapple, and strawberry. There is protein. There's no fat. Carbon dioxide. Sugars, sodium, that's a lot, and it's not gluten. I can't read this because literally it's all in Chinese. Like, okay, so I'm gonna put these in the freezer. I don't know, and we'll be trying some of these. And we're going to be doing it outside because it makes a big mess. And then also, I'm going to be feeding my dogs at the same time. First thing to do, put your delicious things in the freezer. Oh, the flavors. I think there's strawberry, orange, pineapple, and Yakult. Strawberry, orange, pineapple, Yakult. Now let's go feed the dogs, and also, what are you doing? Come on, dogs. Dogs, feed your dogs. If you don't have a dog, I don't know. I'm not gonna do anything bad to you, but like, yeah. Dogs are cool. We love dogs. If you watch this account, you have to like dogs, because I'm allergic to cats. There you go, guys. I'm loving off somewhere. 2 seconds, guys. Oh, well, I'm doing some jelly fruits now. Well, can I do one? Please? Thank you. So I'm going to do a grape jelly first. I'm going to allow do one, and then I'll make a separate video trying dogs. Because obviously you're going to have a grape jelly fruit. at my throat. I'm okay. I'm good. I could also kill you. I know, now I know why people just cut open the top. Beautiful. It makes a lot more sense. Me having no brain cells, I did not think of that. And now, I'm dying. In dyingness. Are you making the peanut, the thing?
The hummus.
The hummus.
The hummus.
Well, your mom, I bit into it this way. It's gonna go everywhere. It went in my mouth. Well, went down my throat. And then I died. They just break your phrase off. And my throat feels weird. Nice. Not cool, everyone. Not cool. Ew. Ew. I don't feel great. I'll be back. Actually, no, I'll take you guys with me because, like, I'm nice like that. I need a glue. I need a glue stick. Where did you get this from? Where did you get this from, Mama?
What?
Could it be soup? No, oh, I didn't do well. Are you winging it?
Which is probably gonna end badly.
But didn't you say you winged it last time?
Yeah.
So how could it end badly?
Because it always ends badly.
Well, is Dad picky? Well, then it's gonna end badly. Good boy, Jack. It's a bit chunky, Mama.
I know, right?
Is hummus supposed to be chunky? Comment down below, guys. Is hummus supposed to be chunky? I don't think so. No, I don't think it is, actually. So, I got the book. Remember the ASMR? Yeah, I got the book. And I made these, like, characters. Like that one. There's a lot. This is a body. There's a mushroom girl. That one, and that one. So yeah, I made them. I'm going to try to put them out as best as possible to put them in my book. So I'm just cutting one out. I don't know if I'm going to do a nice cutting every single one. I might just like sometimes wing it. Or not even try and go around edges, just boop. This is so hard. first character. Time to glue it in. So I'm probably gonna look at the next page. Yeah. I do not like that jelly. Wait, yeah, after. Let's try. Make it as neat as possible. I glued it. Next one. You put like that one next to it because it's like it seems similar. Very similar hair. I will just cut the body. Oopsies. Sorry. I'm probably gonna make a schoolgirl next, but I don't really know how to. So yeah. And I'm also going to be going to my friend's house. So yeah, I finished these. They literally look like they came out of the book. Well, no, it doesn't actually. In real life, it looks horrendous. But you guys don't need to know that, even though I just told you. It's so fine. I know, right? It's so fine. Now I'm going to put my favorite ones. Well, they're not really my favorite. I'm kind of just going to put the body in that one because I need a picture of the body. Obby. And I did all this on a piece of paper. So, yeah. I just need to know the shapes, the feet sizes. I drew all of these, so yeah, don't come at me. Some of the pages will just be tests, you know. I will label them. Not all of them will be perfect. You know. Nice. Not nice. Thing. I don't know. I don't care. I do kind of care because it's my book. It has to look pretty. It doesn't have to look pretty. You just need to look decent. Alright, that's the body done. The body is obviously going to go on the top, on the front, so that I know how the body actually looks. The shapes. I know people will say, ew, why would you do that? You put the cute ones out there first, blah, 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 blah. I really don't care. Some of these ones are a bit more detailed than I wanted them to be. Like this one is, well, this one's perfect, just kind of hard to cut, you know. But I didn't really want to cut this one. But obviously, look at me. Ah, great. I feel so nice. I just cut the love heart. I have not achieved any good things. Well, I have, but not really today, but I have before. And I'm missing the mushrooms. Right. Literally just cut off the mushrooms. Oh, and the girl's hair is so close to the food. Peel off. So, cut off the beautiful hair. Okay. Yes. Okay, done the character. Nice. I will be showing you the end results. And if the book looks good or if it looks horrendous. Knowing me, it's probably going to look horrendous at the end. But, okay, it's fine. Well, if I'm saying okay, it's fine, even though it's not fine. And I'm trying not to ruin the sketches. Rub it on too much because obviously, yeah. Okay, this looks horrendous. But you gotta show out 2 more on another page. I'm not gonna put it there because obviously I don't want to. Those will be testers or something like that. I don't know. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I probably will though. Probably will. Fill it. No, I'm going to fill it. You know, I don't really like to. No, I'm not going to. Am I going to? Like, I'm not going to. Am I? I might. Probably. Who knows? You know, who knows? My stomach hurts from eating the jelly. Ew. Okay, Korean food is delicious. But the jelly that you guys made upset my stomach. Yay. So, let's hope. Again, tomorrow, guys, it's Australia Day. So excited. We got little fake tattoos, everything. They look so savvy. I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna look like, but we're gonna look cute. Hopefully. We're gonna be covered in Australia Day tattoos. We all love Australia. People like America. I don't like America. Like, it has lots of cool stuff, but Australia's just better, guys. If you ever come visit Australia, be careful in the woods. You might get eaten by a kangaroo. Just joking, but do actually be careful, because you never know in Australia. You get surprises every day. Where? Using colors every day. And right there. Oh, you're not going to use it. Okay. Alright, I have finished. Slay. That is so loud. I don't know if you guys can hear me because that is really loud. Hopefully you guys can. I finished. Right here. So, open it. Obviously. Open it. You have the body to make sure how it looks. Then you have the mushroom girl. To flip to the next page. You have the like dress, the Weird Al girls. Then you have a checkered girl and you have a flower girl. And that's it. Let me look. Right here.